Hi guys, welcome back to KRB Hair TV. Today I'm going to take you through the step-by-step beard care tutorial using the KRB Hair Care beard collection. And of course my client is Mr. Cooper. So first I'm going to thoroughly comb out his beard. Next I'm going to give him a beard trim. The next step I'm going to use a steamer to steam his beard with a wet towel just to get his beard and his skin nice and damp or moisturized. Basically we want it wet but not too wet. On this next step I'm going to apply the beard shampoo. I put a drop in my hand and I'm going through and thoroughly massaging it into his beard. After I get the product on his beard, I'm going to massage it through, and it's going to cleanse the oil, the dirt, and the dead skin that are on his face. It's very important to lather it as much as you can to get as much of that dirt, oil, and dead skin up. Most of the clients really love the shampoo process. Next, I'm going to take a damp towel and I'm going to gently just remove all of the shampoo or the beard shampoo from his skin and his hair. If you use a beard care system, let me know in the comments what system it is. So the next step, we're going to apply the KRB Hair Care Beard Conditioner. And I'm going to massage that into his beard as well. The beard conditioner will moisturize his beard and reduce itchiness. I'll leave it on for a few minutes before I wipe it off the same way I wiped off the beard shampoo. You can purchase this beard care system at www.krbhair.com. The link is also in the bio. So here you're going to see me take a damp towel and I'm going to let it sit on top of the conditioner that I thoroughly massaged into his skin and his beard. And then I'm going to wipe it off gently like I did the shampoo. This is going to leave his beard feeling really soft, moisturized, and the product smells amazing. Next I'm going to take the KRB Hair Care beard brush and brush his beard. The brush is not super hard at all. It feels really good. It's almost like a massage sensation. Next I'm going to take the KRB beard balm and I am going to massage it into his beard. This is going to help with flyaways. It also smells amazing. And it aids in a healthy beard and beard growth. It's a styling agent. Next, I'm going to take the beard comb from our collection and thoroughly comb his beard. This comb has two sides to it. The last step, I'm going to put some KRB beard oil into the palm of my hands, rub it together, and then massage it on his face. This will create a moisturizing barrier to lock the oil and the balm into his beard. It'll leave it feeling soft, shiny, and smelling amazing. I'm going to go through one last time and brush his beard. And as you're about to see, my client Shamika, his wife, absolutely loved it. I just love them. And he got crystallized. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.